Okay, okay. And then, what about you? What happened? You tell daddy what happened. You fell down? Where? In okay, okay. Oh, where's your bubo? Okay, okay. Do you want Hiraya sad? Do you want Ate Jinju sad? If Ate Jinju sad, Daddy will sad. You want Daddy sad? Oh, you want Mommy sad? Oh, cannot be sad together, right? The family should love each other, right? Oh, I hug you. Oh, I hug you. If you don't love Hiraya, Daddy will cry. You want Daddy cry? Okay. Oh, so you love each other, so no more crying. In the family should love each other, right? Oh, hug. Group hug. Always with the family, right? Other people will fight your family. Who will protect your family? If other people fight Hiraya, who will protect Hiraya? Ate Jinju, right? You love each other. If other people fight you, who will protect you? Hiraya. Daddy will protect you. If we fight each other, what will happen? No. You understand? Oh, hug again. Let's love each other. Open? Oh, you read. Oh, little people, big dreams. Okay?